even get in.
Oh, we can go now.
I know who's barbecuing.
Oh, like summer barbecuing?
Yeah, like somebody's. What the f?
Oh! What the hell?
Oh my goodness. What are you doing? What in the caterpillar brows are you? What?
Oh, the brow.
What are we? Bro, you look like an angry bird.
What? I'm smiling.
You look like the red bird in the Angry Birds. Who did you get inspiration from?
The girls on...
The inspiration. Please.
It's not that bad.
You look like you're mad at the world right now.
Are you serious?
Are you happy and you know it? No, you're not. You're mad. You're smiling at me, but I'm still seeing a frown.
Oh! Really? Look at the curvature at this. Look at the side.
Bro, it's like an upside down Nike sign.
What are you talking about?
That's what. Just don't do it. Do you really want to go outside with your windshield wipers? Bro, if it's raining, you're catching all the rain with that. Your face is already small. And you have your eyebrows and your forehead fighting for space on your face.